He's alive. He's alive. Wounded, but not dead. Wounded, but not dead. Runs and drives on his own power. That's what we call Ford tough right there. Ford tough. Can't keep it down. Ford tough there, buddy.
That's it. Never die.
Now, the dissection begins. Well, welcome back to the channel. Well, today, as you saw from the preview and what we're about to dive into, is time to start disassembling the Undertaker. Yes, it still lives. Ford tough, amazingly. Still can run and drive. Not suggestible, but it can. So now, we're getting ready to start pulling the front end off and plan on sending the blower out to get the latest Whipple treatment, and got a few other things. Manuel Gomez, by the time you see this, I got you. But otherwise, jump in, give you a quick time lapse of it, and might have a few other extras at the end of the video for you. Let's go. Well, it is time to begin the dissection. Yeah, we're gonna dive on in here and dissect. Start getting some stuff out of here, pulling out, and confirm 100% what's still useful, what's not. But she still does run. That we've proven. you have it. The supercharger is off, and we'll be sending that. There she goes. We'll be sending that back out to Whipple so they can check it, make sure there's nothing wrong with the supercharger, and at the same time, any of their latest and greatest upgrades. Be a good time to have that done. But next step will be pulling the motor. I myself will not be the one doing that because, well, that goes a little further than what I like to do or have done before. So motor will be coming out. That guy over there up in the corner, he'll be pulling the motor, pulling the trans, and we'll get those checked. We'll send the motor on down to L&M so they can look that over, make sure everything's good, and we'll be checking the trans as well. Then we'll be stripping down the remaining bits, and once that's gone and stripped, then we'll get the replacement in here. Try not to have too many things sitting around, so once he's gone, then the replacement will pull up and let the party begin. Undertaker 2.0, or whatever we wind up calling her. Until next time, Boosted F-150 out.